A Greensboro man accused of killing a woman in a deadly domestic violence case stood in front of the judge for the first time today. In court, the district attorney painted a violent relationship between the two.
The DA says 3 months ago, Brian Bigelow was charged with domestic violence. Officers accused him of strangling Katrina Veers, and on Monday, officers found Veers unresponsive at Bigelow's house. She later died at the hospital. Fox 8's Ho Jung Roo was in court today. Ho Jung, obviously a lot of history here. What else did you learn?
Yeah, Neil, well, according to the Guilford County District Attorney, she says during an interview with Bigelow, he admitted to fighting with Katrina Veers on Monday, hitting her with his hands, kicking her, and using wooden boards. Brian Bigelow sat silently when a judge told him how serious the charges before him are.
Charged with one count of first-degree murder. That is an offense that carries a potential maximum sentence of the death penalty or life without parole. You were also charged with one count of kidnapping. That is an offense that carries a potential maximum sentence of 19 years in prison.
Craziness. That is absolute craziness. This guy looks crazy. And, as you just heard, one of his charges carries the penalty of 19 years. And then the first one, the judge said life in prison or death, the death penalty. This lady lost her life. Condolences to her family once again. As I said in the video that I covered when this story was breaking. But just to hear the details, this individual was accused of strangling the woman, using wooden boards on the woman, physically punching the woman. God knows what else. Not only maybe, physical abuse, but, could have been a lot of psychological abuse. It's a reason why she wasn't able to break herself away from this man right here. And whatever that reason was, it didn't work out in her favor. And that's why I was saying in the previous video that, once it starts getting violent and stuff like that, it's just time to go. Because a lot of times, people kind of get into this thing mentally where they think they can change someone.